Hi, I'm Brandy with Ultimate Medical Academy at the College Women on the Rise event.
We're here at the Women's Conference to teach the graduates how to interview for jobs in their field, just building their confidence and helping them to understand the interviewing process.
Write their resumes, teaching them do's and don'ts, and just different tricks of speaking to their resume in order to land a job.
To enlighten females of different generations on how to interview, how to not be afraid to interview, how to think quickly on their feet.
Today we're breaking up in two different groups. We have a resume segment and we have the interview segment.
We are here to show young women coming out of college that are joining the career field. We're showing them how to work on their resumes, interviewing best practices, and things that they can really refine while they are looking for their dream job.
I would absolutely recommend this event to any woman, especially college students, because it is a way to empower and lift us up.
Everyone here is very welcoming and very knowledgeable on so many topics, and it's really amazing networking opportunity, I think.
I definitely would recommend this event so far. I've already learned a lot of great things and been exposed to a lot of different people with a lot of different experiences, and I've already been able to learn a lot in a couple of hours, so definitely recommend it.